Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this wedding guest look, which is I'm wearing a red dress. On top of that I have created some neutral look. So whenever you are confused what to wear on the red dress, which kind of makeup you want to wear, then you can follow this look. Thanks. Now I'm using Tarte palette. From that I'm using a pinkish shade. इस शेड को मैं अपने पूरे आईलिड पे कर लूंगी. Now I'm taking a light brown color from the same palette and I'm keeping on my outer corner. I'm using a same fluffy brush and I'm just doing in a round circular motion at the outer edge, the 1/3 of my outer part. Yeah, you just have to be very soft and gentle. This brown color will create a shadow and you have to little bit drag it inside. Yes. Now I'm taking a little bit darker brown from the same palette. So I'm placing at the same place where I keep it the lighter shade, and I'm just creating a triangle over there. You just have to blend nicely so your eyeshadow looks very nice. I'm taking this white color from the same palette and I'm placing it inside inner corner of my eyes. And I have changed my brush also. So I don't have any color on my brush, but whatever leftover color from the previous one, the brown color, I just blended with that. Now I'm using a Sephora black color liquid eyeliner. This liner brush is very nice and very thin. You can just create a wing liner easily. Now I'm using Revlon colorstay eyeliner, which is in kajal. So I'm just doing for my waterline. It's actually behind the kajal pencil. There is this smudging tool you are getting to smudge the kajal. Now the eyes looking very nice and big and sharp. So if you have a small eyes, you can create up and down also eyeliner. It looks bigger. Now I'm doing with the Anastasia. I'm doing my eyebrows. I have took an angle brush to create this eyebrow. And wherever I don't have much hair, I'm just filling inside that area. For eyebrows, you just go little by little color. You don't need to just fill it whole eyebrows. Now I'm using this lashes and I'm using a duo eyelashes glue. It's in black color. Now I'm just pinching my both the lashes together to fix it nicely. And it's very easy way to fix. After fixing the lashes, I always redo my eyeliner, just touch up only so it looks evenly again and precise. Now I'm doing on my eyebrow bone just a lighter color of my palette. You can use a highlighter also. I'm using this Maybelline mascara and I'm just fixing both the lashes together. Lower lashes also I'm using the same mascara. When you are doing your lower lashes mascara, it looks so fuller and your eyes look so open up. Now I'm doing the other side also to give that fuller and open look. Now I'm using Too Faced bronzers. For the bronzer, this is my favorite palette, which is very long lasting, which I'm using from last 2 years and still I have it. And that one have all the colors which you needed for your blusher or your bronzer or your highlighter. So it's all in one palette. I've used little bit pinkish shade. For contouring, I have a brown color also inside this palette. So I'm using this brown color for contouring. Yeah, I'm doing on my temples, my nose, and my jawline. So it will give me this slimmer look. You just have to blend it nicely. From the same palette, I'm using this highlighter. I'm using this both together. And it's a wonderful highlighter. You can see there is a little bit pinkish shade also. I'm doing on my nose and my jawline. On my lips also a little bit to highlight. With Swiss Beauty lip liner, I'm doing the liner for my lip. And this is a brown color. So I'm using a red color today. That's why I'm using a brown color lip liner. And now I'm doing with the Revlon Kajal pencil. I'm giving a little bit shadow, only the outer corners. I'm just going very light handed, so I don't have too much of black. Just going very lightly. Yeah, I'm doing the upper liner also. Now, now I'm using MAC lipstick, which is in red color. I'm gonna refill it all over my lip. Whenever you use a red color lipstick, you just have to go with the black color liner. It's just a little bit to give a shadow, so it looks wonderful on that, and it will give you little maroon shade, which gives a wonderful look. I'm redoing this black color liner again with a very light hand, and I'm just going very thin line. Same again down also, I'm going with a very light hand. Once it's blended, it's looking very nice. So now I'm using my finger to blend this inside, so I don't have patches. Yeah, this is the final look for my lips. Now again I'm doing with my lip liner. My lips looking very nice and pouty. I'm using the same highlighter from Too Faced. I'm using for my eyebrow bone. And this is the final look. I hope you like it. I'm just leaving open my hair. And I've done a little small bindi. Hope you like my video. You like my look. Just comment me down below so I know you liking my videos or not. Thank you so much. See you soon.